You are poisoning your household with this popular cleaner. It contains 146 toxic chemicals that can cause cancer. Many different commercial cleaning products contain high amounts of toxic chemicals which have been related to many different health problems such as neurological problems, cancer, blindness, asthma, etc. And many of these toxic chemicals are even poisonous. The Environmental Working Group EWG has found more than 146 harmful chemicals in the most used household cleaners. And the most toxic chemicals such as formaldehyde, benzene, chloroform, toluene, etc. are not even listed on their label. The EWG tests have found that Comet released 146 air contaminants, which is way more than any other product tested. And the worst thing about this is that just 6 ingredients were actually disclosed on the product label. These 7 chemicals on California's Prop 65 list is known to cause cancer and reproductive toxicity, as well as hormone disruptors, reproductive toxins, asthmagens, allergens, brain and nervous system toxins. 1. Formaldehyde. This chemical is also known to cause cancer under CA law. Formaldehyde is a known human carcinogen under the International Agency for Research on Cancer IARC. It's also a known human system toxin under the NIH, the National Library of Medicine of the National Institutes of Health. Formaldehyde is also a known human respiratory toxin according to the EPA Environmental Protection Agency. Many different studies show this compound as a reproductive toxin, asthmagen and allergen. 2. Toluene. This compound is known carcinogen, reproductive and developmental toxin. And it's a powerful neurotoxin, allergen. 3. Acetaldehyde. This compound is known carcinogen by Prop 65 law. It's also a known human respiratory toxin according to the EPA. The acetaldehyde compound is also known human immune system toxin per the National Library of Medicine of the NIH, National Library of Medicine of the National Institutes of Health. 4. Chloroform. This toxin is a known carcinogen, reproductive toxin, neurotoxin, allergen, and it's used to render people unconscious. 5. Benzene. This chemical compound is a known carcinogen. It's also a reproductive developmental toxin, neurotoxin, allergen, and it's linked to leukemia in children. 6. 1-chloro-2,3-epoxypropane. This compound is petroleum-based chemical, and it's also known as a human immune system toxin according to the National Library of Medicine of the NIH. There are also hard evidences that this compound is a powerful reproductive toxin as well. The ECHD, European Commission on Hormone Disruptors, provides there is a strong evidence it's a human endocrine disruptor. And according to the EPA, the IARC, the National Toxicology Program of the NIH, and the California EPA, the European Union and Canada, this compound is considered to be a possible carcinogen. This chemical toxin is also known human respiratory toxin in accordance with the EPA's regulation of hazardous air pollutants. 7. N-ethylene nitrosoethanamine. According to the National Toxicology Program of the NIH, this chemical compound is a known human carcinogen. And it is also a probable human carcinogen according to the EPA Environmental Protection Agency and Cal Prop 65 law. Toxic under the EPA's toxic release inventory, and it's highly mutagenic to the human DNA. Here's how to make your own chemical-free cleaning product. This product is completely safe and very effective. Just follow the simple instructions. DIY chemical-free cleanser. 1/2 cup baking soda, 1/2 cup salt, 20 drops antibacterial essential oil, tea tree oil. Directions. As we said, this recipe is very simple and easy to make. All you have to do is combine all ingredients in a bowl and mix them well. You can use a fork just to make sure the essential oil doesn't clump up in the soda and salt. You should definitely stop using those expensive and toxic commercial cleaning products, because as you can see, they are loaded with toxic chemicals which can be really bad for you and your health in general. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.